Are you feeling tense or stressed? Progressive Muscle Relaxation, or PMR, is a simple yet effective technique to release physical tension and calm your mind. Hi everybody, I'm Rob from Third Wish. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step PMR session, accompanied by soothing sounds to enhance your relaxation experience. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then releasing each muscle group in your body, helping you become aware of physical tension and teaching your body how to relax. It's perfect for managing stress, improving sleep, or simply taking a moment to unwind. We'll work through each muscle group, from your feet to your head, pairing this practice with calming sounds to deepen your relaxation. Before we start, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can lie down or sit in a supportive chair. Play soothing music at a low volume to create a calming atmosphere. Now let's take a deep breath together to center ourselves. Inhale slowly and exhale fully. Now let's begin. Start by focusing on your feet. Curl your toes and tense the muscles in your feet as tightly as you can. Hold for 5 seconds and release. Feel the tension melting away. Now, tighten your calf muscles. Hold the tension and then let go. Move to your thighs. Squeeze them tightly. Hold and release. Now focus on your abdomen. Tighten the muscles as you inhale. Hold for 5 seconds and release as you exhale. Now clench your fists. Hold and let go. Feeling the tension leave your hands. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold the tension and then let them drop. Finally, scrunch up your face by squeezing your eyes shut and tightening your jaw. Hold and then release completely. Now that you've worked through each muscle group, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Breathe deeply and let the relaxing sounds around you deepen your sense of calm. Thank you for joining me in this progressive muscle relaxation session. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to relax or release tension. Be sure to check out our playlists of calming tracks to enhance your next session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how this practice worked for you.